Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I am Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Really not much going on today, except that we are, let me show you here, making some friendship bracelets. I made these ones a couple of days ago, and I'm glad you're able to join me to make another batch. So the things I have is pretty simple, nothing too elaborate. We got some beads here, different colors. We have our letters, A to Z. We got numbers, and of course the elastic bracelet spring to put it all together. And I do have some heart beads. Now, I wasn't able to go to the Eras concerts when I was here in LA back in August, and it's a good thing that the film came out, so this is like my way of participating in the event of it all. So it's exciting. Yes, I am a Swiftie, been since the 1989 album, so there you go. A lot of these bracelets are kind of semi-pre-planned. I do have my little crude list of things to create, I guess. So let's crack at it. I have on several occasions while making the first batch have lost a few beads here and there falling on the carpet. Alright, first one completed. Alright, on to the next ones. How are y'all doing, by the way? Hope you're all doing good. Weather here in Southern California has been a little bit up and down the last several days. We've actually had a bit of a heat wave again, and then it just started cooling down quite a bit as of today, so it's a bit temperamental. As for me, got some big things coming up here that I am looking forward to sharing with you all. So if you want to, stick around for that adventure, do subscribe to the channel, give the video a like. Alright, so I finished about half of this batch, and I planned out already the remaining bracelets. Let me show you here. So here's the rest of them that I'm going to be making. The ones I finished and the ones I finished before that. So we're looking pretty good. Time for a bake. Alright, let's get these bracelets finished. we're done. We're finished. We're finished. So I'm not gonna make any more. I'm done. It wasn't too bad. Really, it wasn't too bad. Here's the finished batch. Plus the ones I made earlier, a couple days ago. Oh. There, no. Good enough. It's a good batch. It is getting late, it's dark out, so I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks for hanging out with me and making some friendship bracelets. Do come back next week because I have a whole adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.